This is how you change the hours for a special day like Easter or Memorial Day, which are currently coming up for your business in Google Profile Manager. First, I prefer going to business.google.com. This is how I get to the Google Profile Manager. You'll see a page roughly like this. My business that I manage is grouped together under a set of cafes. You may just go straight to seeing a list or your business listed right here. At any rate, when you get to where the business is displayed, over here you've got the edit button, and it's this guy right here. Nothing to it. Why is my arrow yellow? I want it to be red. Click that. So once you click this, you'll go to your business information. All these things are things that you can edit. Scrolling down or just selecting the tabs from the top, you go to the hours section. These are your regular business hours. If you want to change those, click into that and change your regular business hours. Underneath this, though, you have special hours. Now, it will automatically populate with Easter or Memorial Day if these are coming up, as they are right now when I film this video, or you can just manually add a date. Say, you know, Thanksgiving, you're going to be open a weird hour. You can go ahead and add this in straight from this menu. When you make your selection, you either hit hours right here or just select the close button as I have done there and select save. Now I've already done that, so it's already populated in this particular restaurant location, as you can see right here. It said when I clicked on it and I saved it the first time that it takes up to about 10 minutes to populate, but here's another one I did literally 60 seconds ago, so it populates very quickly, because it knows that I'm the business manager and I'm authorized to make that change. Do you want weekly tips on how to scale, automate, and grow your business using spreadsheets, automation tools, and AI? GotSheet is my free weekly newsletter that I created for people just like you. Subscribe below, gotsheet.xyz, link is in the description. Hope that's helpful. If it was, subscribe, like the video, all that stuff. You're awesome. Have a great one. Check out this video coming up next. Goodbye.